Hey, this is Austin. This is lab number 3 for motors and drives. We have our 3-wire control circuit over here. Starting from our source voltage, we have these 3 wires running. The red one, we're using only one phase because our transformer's down. That connects up to the lockout module over here. And we're using L1 again. So it splits off in 2 wires. This red wire goes to the emergency stop button. Right now it is connected, so it's completing the circuit. From there, that runs over to this push button over here. Okay, this is the push button over here. Current will come in from the e-stop over here. It's in parallel, branches off to the start button, and the other branches off to the 13-14 contactor. So we're going to press the green button right now, send the current through the green path real quick, and now that we released it, this path is done, but the motor is still able to receive current through the red circuit side. And then when the green button is released, it closes off that previous path I just told you about. But since the 13 and 14 contactor have been energized before, that path is still available through the red path over here, and that will allow current to keep going. And now the red circuit side with the motor running looks like that, but we can kill it and open up the circuit just by pressing the red button real quick, and that'll kill all the current to the motor because the green side is already cut off, like that. Okay, the motor's still running. So as mentioned earlier, current is still flowing through 13 and 14 over here, and that also means that current is going through L1, L2, and L3, and that's powering T1 for our single phase motor, going to L1, and this L1 is connected to the T1 over here, an overload relay, and that one is actually connecting to our single phase motor over here powering it. So we're going to kill it again. So the main benefit with this system is that it has the emergency stop before the push button. That allows us to pull out the e-stop, push it in to stop the motor. And no matter what we do, current will not flow through because it doesn't even get through the emergency stop. And also, when we activate the emergency stop again, the motor does not get current at all. We have to physically press the green button to start it again, and then red button to stop. So this allows for safer work on the motor. Say if you want to work on the motor and there's others around, it's less chance for accidents.